This conference will now be recorded.
We learned about ledger allocation rules. In the ledger allocation rules, there is fixed weight, fixed percentage, equally distribute, and basis. There are 4 methods. So once the expenses is happened, then I would like to reschedule between the different financial dimensions. That may be a business unit or department or any financial dimensions. If you want to distribute, you can distribute the expenses between the dimensions. So the utilization is majorly by accountants, finance department, but you should be explained to the business users. That is the reason you have learned. Next, today, one important function like aging report. So this is customer aging report, vendor aging report, both are available in the system. First, let us focus on customer aging report. Customer aging report. Okay. So to understand before this one, to understand, first we need to understand like what is this customer aging report. Suppose take the example, I'm giving half of the information, but let us understand. Okay. Harshal will discuss in the last at 9 o'clock. Okay, we'll discuss that one at 9 o'clock, Harshal.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Fine. So now suppose from customer A, the balance is pending 25,000 Indian rupees. From customer B, the amount is pending 2,45,000. And from customer C, the amount is pending like 2,800 rupees is the pending. Because always amount should be right alignment. So I have made it right alignment. Now I'm a manager for collections. I'm a manager for collections. Now, so this customer C is handling by one collection agent, and this is handling by one collection agent. This is handling by another customer, like collection agent. Okay. Now, from which collection agent I need to make pressure to collect money? Any idea? So each customer is handling by one representative. Now I need to pressurize, or I need to put pressure, like I need to give something like I want this money should be at the earliest. Always I need to focus on all customers. The first priority, from which customer I need to get money from the through my collection agents. Can anyone suggest me? Customer B or B?
Whoever crossed the due date from us.
Yes. So I told you half of the information only I have told you. I have given half of the information only in this process. Because based on the due date, I will request, or I will command, or I will demand money from the customers. What it means? Suppose this for all customers, 30 days is the terms of payment. For suppose 30 days is the terms of payment. This invoice is generated on 25th September 21. This invoice is generated on 15th October 21, and this invoice is generated on 15th June 21. Then in that case, I need to focus on this customer to collect money, because 15th June invoice date, this is invoice date, 30 days means 15th July is the due date. 15th July is the due date. Then if it is from 15th July, it is now more than 3 months. This customer has not paid money back to me. It was oldest invoice. It is the invoice amount is oldest. I mean to say longest pending amount. Then I need to focus on this customer C, even though amount is less. So if this information is not there, the dates, if the information dates are not there, then definitely everyone will assume like I need to collect money from the customer B. But here the pending amount is from how many days it is pending. From how many days the amount is pending, that is most important for you. So I mean to say, rather than this one, business people, what they will expect, customers, and the total amount is pending. What it is the amount, suppose 3,50,000 total amount pending, and in this last month, September month, how much amount is pending, and before that, August 21st, what is the amount pending. In July month, what is the pending amount, and June, what is the pending amount, and above May and above. So the pending amount, customer A, total amount is suppose 3,45,000 something. Now amount is pending, this is 15,000. Otherwise this is 2,50,000. Recent amount pending is 2,50,000, and here it is 45,000. Here it is 20,000, and here it is 22,000, and here it is 3,000. So from the each customer, if it is amount spending is in which bracket it is there, this is called 30 days. As per the business people, this is called 30 days. This is called 60 days. This is called 90 days. And this is called 120 days. And this is called above 120 days. The name, they are using the word 30, 60, 90, 120 days, but their intention is last month amount, what is the pending amounts. Last month, what is the pending amounts, and previous to previous month, what is the pending amounts, and previous to previous, like this. If I am in the month of November 1st, then I want October month, what is the pending, September month, what is the pending, and then here August month, what is the pending, July, what is the pending amount, and July and above, June and above, what is the amount pending. If I have report like this, it will be easy for me, being a a sales manager or collections manager, manager collections, whatever it may be, my designation. Then the report will be, by looking into this report, I can understand how much amounts are pending from different customers, and I need to focus on to collect money on this last two brackets or aging period buckets. Understood the purpose of the report? Any confusion, anything here? So for any business, they want this report. This is called 30, 60, 90 days report. So here their intention is 30 days. Their actually words from mouth, they're asking like 30 days, but it is not 30 days. This is last month pending. This is here 60 days means this is actually 0 to 30. This is 30 days means it is 0 to 30. This is 31 to not 60, it is 61, because August month has 31 days. This is 62 to 92, and this is 93 to 122. Look at this one here, 31 days. Here 31 days. Here 30 days only, because June month. That their intention is not 60 here. 31 to 60, not 31 to 60. It is 31 to 61. The reason behind here in this August month, they have 31 days. If you mention like this, it will create like August 1st transaction will be shown here. Okay, month. Are you able to correlate what I am speaking here? Any confusion? 30 days is not equal to 1 month. Many months, it is not equal. So those things. Okay, in the system I will show you. Is it clear for anyone? Any doubt? Please unmute. You can ask me. And here in this, apart from this one, we will create one new column, note due. What is this note due? I will explain you. Here note due means, suppose today I have generated invoice. 30 days is the grace period, means due date will be calculated from 18th November. Due date will be started or calculated from 18th November, not now. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm back. So note due means the amounts which is generated in this month, but in this month or whatever the date it may be, but due date is not started till now. Those amounts can be created here, can be entered here. Understood? Little bit tricky here, this one, only this one for many people, but it is not a complex. What is this node due means? No due means the transaction is happened, but due date is not started. Suppose I have generated invoice on 5th October 21. I have generated an invoice 50,000. This 50,000 I can pay because terms of payment is 30 days. Suppose terms of payment is 30 days. Then due date will be starting from 5th November 21. Then this amount should not be any of the brackets. Either it is 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or 120 days or amount. That is not due. It is not, the due date is not started. That is not due. Can anyone unmute whether you are able to hear me properly or not at least?
Yes, hearing no.
Yes.
So 0 to 30 days, 31 to 61 days, 120 days, all these things you can see. Okay? Yeah, you can mute yourself. Sidhu, if you don't mind, you can mute yourself. Yeah, fine. So okay, fine. Okay, so no due date, total amount pending, no due date from last month, whatever it is pending. This is previous to previous month and previous to previous month, and above, like from 4 months it is pending. This is above 4 months. So this report will benefit to the business people to understand what is the amounts and how it is pending, everything. Okay, so let me show you in this system where it is available, how it is available. Let us understand. Give me a second. So for this, actually in 2012 previous version, it is available in AR, accounts receivable module. It is a part of accounts receivable in 2012. Whereas in D365 it is credit and collections. Credit and collections, aged balances. Just give me a second. Let me show you the report. It's loading. Look at this one. The amount is pending 2,150. It is current balance. The amount is pending. It is current balance. This amount is pending. It is in current balance. But this amount is 31,800. The amount is pending from 90 days. This amount is pending from this one. So if I have the report, then I can see, look at this one. It is, if it is pending in the last column, cross, red cross is there. That means I need to focus on this customer first, because the amount is pending. Actually it is 120 days, but we'll modify this report. Okay, so the amount is pending from so many days or so many months or so many years. Then I need to focus whether customer is available or not, whether it is bank corrected or not, anything happened, because why he is not paying more than 120 days, above 120 days. By looking at this one, I can understand. Okay, how to generate this report? This is a report you can generate. Otherwise, this is not a report print format. It is a view only, but I will show you normal report, how it will be looks like. So it is in collections, credit and collections, inquiries and reports, customers, customer aging report. Give me a second, it is loading the report. Okay, here as of which date? So I'm generating on, for suppose 1st of October. Usually balance as of 1st of October. In the first week of every month it will be generated. So there are 3 criterias. So majorly it will be used due date. What is the remaining functions I will explain you later. Due date means if it is crossed due date, then aging period definition. What is the aging period definition? I'm taking 30, 60, 90, 180. This will understand how to create. Okay, so accounting currency, the report is in accounting currency. Okay, and printing the aging period definitions. Yes, I'm clicking OK. So meanwhile, I'm closing this form. I'm generating from another report, one report. This is the report format, a print format. You can take a printout. Means any employee in the company, I mean to say particularly sales department, employees whoever is working under sales department, they will take this print format. They will take a printout and they will keep on monitoring the balances it is pending, and they will keep on follow up on the collections. They need to concentrate on collections, sales and collections together. So in small organizations, maybe sales and collections both are same, handling by one department, or it may be either two different departments, whatever it may be. Okay, the report is here. The amount is pending. So account, customer account number, name of the account, name of the customer, and customer group, balance pending, and this is current month means it is no due balance, and it is 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, above 120 days. Okay, so the forget about the report values. I will discuss with you. I will show you. So this is the report. This is customer aging report. Customer aging report means customer account, name, group, and these are the fields. Okay, how it is coming like this values? Let us understand from the setups point of view. I'm taking duplicate. The first step is customer aging periods. In 2012, the name may be aging buckets or aging periods. The first step, let us understand credit and collections, setup, aging period definition. The first step is customer aging. Here, aging period definitions. To execute, to run this report, we need aging period definition. Aging period definition is the first step, that is in credit and collections, setup, aging period definition. You need to define this one. You need to define this one. See here, it is available 30, 60, 90. This is not the correct one because this is based on the days. By default, in the system, whatever it is showing in USMF company, the report is not correct. Why? It will not show, it will show like this one. This is wrong. Okay, we want the report like this. Means this is, one second. This report is month wise pending, and another report I'm just copy pasting 30 days, 30, 60, 90. Here it is 31 to 60 and 61 to 91. This is 962 actually. This is not 91, 90. This is 91 to 120, and this is above 120. This is 30, 60, 90 report. So many people, if you I think many people are Telugu people, you know, just I'm using the Telugu word, like see here, tomorrow month, రేపు నెలలో ఇచ్చేసాయి, tomorrow month. Here tomorrow month people will use the word, and next month they will use the word tomorrow month. Tomorrow month means here it is not, tomorrow is not a month. Next month will come on November after 12 days or 13 days, but they will use the word in their local language tomorrow month. So here in the same manner, business people, they will use the word 30, 60, 90 days, 30, 60, 90 days report, but it is not really 30, 60, 90 days report. It is month wise report is the expectation. In their mouth it is coming like 30, 60, 90, but actually is month wise pending report. So for that, it is I'm creating a new report. In real-time scenario, you need to map this one. The sample, whatever it was given, is not the up to mark. This is current month. This is not due, and this is above 90 days. Okay, see here, this is current month means the current month whatever it is pending. This is not due means sometimes it may be due is coming in the future months. As I told you, 15th October I have generated invoice. So no due date will be started from 15th November. Then that should not be here. It should be in no due. Make sense? Understood, everyone? And here actually in this we have options to select what it is going on. So I will make it this one as a blue. This is your wish, whatever you want you can select, and I will make this one as yellow. So blue is okay, no issues. Yellow means it is crossing. It is this one I will make red cross, and this is diamond means the customer is pending from many days I want. So this is you can define your own indicators. Okay, the report is normally the report will be generated from credit and collections. So customer aging report, this is the report we can generate. From this we can generate report. This is the actual report. So as I told you, the format should be like this. Click OK. Then it will show the perfect values. Okay, give me a second. It is in reverse direction. It is showing. Let me make it is in the backward. So the report is showing here 90 and this one like this, but I want this one, this column first, and this is next. This is like that. So let me regenerate the report. The same report is available in AP side also, for vendor side also, for the same report. That is amounts you need to pay. So vendor side is very less importance. Of course it is important, but it is the priority is very less. Because like to whom you need to pay, that vendor will do the follow-up with you. You need not to do follow-up with the vendors to do the payment, because you are going to do the payments. Give me a second. It is here in the report generation itself, it is there. That is I missed. In this, it is option is available. Look at this one. 1 second. Please find aging report. That is saved or not. It should show. Give me a minute. Why it is showing like this? I don't want this report like this. I want 30 days first, next 60 days, next 90 days. So I have not clicked on save. Okay, I will come to you that one. Someone is thinking like, what is this 999? Okay, fine, Prasanna. I'll come to you. Give me a second. Customer aging report. Is current month, no due. Okay, give me a second. Why it is displaying like this? Let me close and open. Just give me a minute. I'll show you and I will give you clarifications, whatever you have doubts. So it is, this one is mapped like this, and we have mapped like this. Fine, this is correct. Aging period definitions. Due date is correct. Everything is correct. Let me try with this one. Okay, here we have to map the backward, and here we have to map like continuous. See here, no due November 1st to how many days it may be. This is current month. This is current month. This is September month. This is August month. This is July month. Now, what is this 999 means? Any days, unlimited here I have mentioned. So the amount is pending, maybe last year, maybe last year, or maybe any months above 90 days. This is due date is maybe next month or maybe next to next month. Suppose the terms of payment is 3 months. 3 months. The agreement between you and your customer is 3 months. Then invoice is generated on 15th October 21. Then what is the due date? What is the due date for this one? Anyone please? 15th October is the invoice date. What is the due date will be started?
January 15.
15th January. Exactly, you are right. From 15th January 22, I can ask up to that day. I cannot ask any balance, any amount from the customer, because the due date I have agreed with the like customer 3 months, and due date will start from 15th October, 15th June, 15th Jan 2022. Then that balance will be shown in this bracket. And in the current month, whatever it is pending, that it will show here. And this is previous month. And these are 90 and above. Maybe if it is pending in the month of June, or in the month of May, in the month of April, or in the month of Feb 2021 or Jan 2021, whatever the amounts are pending, all this I am showing you here. That is the reason I have mentioned. Even it is one also fine. This is one means 1 month, 1 month, 1 month. 0 month means the current month. This month is 0 month, and this is previous month. This is previous month, previous to previous months. These are months. Now it is any number. Understood, Prasanna? Any questions here? Okay, so fine. Nagesh is asking, I'm unable to understand the difference between no due and 0 to 30 days. Okay, so is it clear now? 0 to 30 days and no due? Nagesh, is it clear too?
No, actually, can you please explain me with an example, sir?
So I have generated an invoice. I have in sales order is created today. Today I have generated. Like today is 18th October. Now I have created a sales order and I did invoice. Okay. Now the terms of payment between me and my customer is 3 months. 3 months is the terms of payment. When customer will pay money?
After Jan 15th.
After Jan 15th.
Yeah,
Now this amount, whatever it is there, suppose 20,000, this should be a pending from my customer. Am I right? Agree with me?
yes.
This should be shown in the total amount. Agree with me?
Yes.
But I cannot showcase this one in this brackets. Agree?
Okay.
That is the reason I'm showing here. No due.
Okay. So then, if it has to be, say for example, Jan 16th, 2022, still he has not paid. If I pull on Jan 16th, it has to show in the 31 to 60 or 0 to 30.
So 0 to 30.
Okay.
16th onwards. 16th onwards, it will show 16th October, Jan, or 17th Jan, or 20th Jan. If I'm generating, it should show here. Otherwise, it is not due. Agree with me?
Yes, got it. Yes.
So in this, I have added one more current month, which is it is actually in the system. It is there, current month. The current month is for this month. I'm showing. This is crystal clear report. Current month means on which month you are generating. This is October month. I'm generating. I want to showcase October month balance here. This is November or future months. I'm going to receive whatever it is there. That is not due. Agree with me?
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Yeah. So this is looks like a very simple report. In the system, you can configure without having knowledge. Also, people can do the configuration. It's not a complex at all. Only one thing, if you understand clearly the business people, whatever they have in their mindset, then it will be easy for you. That is the reason I'm telling you always, domain knowledge or functional knowledge is most important. So, any doubts, anyone? The report. So usually reports is not a part of training, but wherever it is important, because with my implementation experience, wherever it is important, I'm concentrating on those things. So this report is most important for business people. They will ask immediately. So you need to generate and you need to showcase this report based on their requirement. So this is 0, like 30, 60, 90 is the major, I mean to say, majority clients or majority customers they will ask. But if they ask something differently, yes, you can map it. But wherever I have implemented, this is the only report. Now, the report, whatever it is showing here, we can take a printout from here. If you want, you can take a printout by taking these options and all those things. You can take a printout. It's not an issue. If you have properly mapped anything, you can take a printout. But this report, it is a printing format. So we have some different formats. If you have option, you can do it. But if I'm a manager, instead of this report, I can see these balances in the collections. Go to collections. Give me a second. Collections. Aged balances, look and feel will become easy if you generate from here. Aged balances. This is for managerial purpose. Managerial, like managers, they can view the report from here rather than print out, so that it can be easy for them to understand better about the situation. So rather than report. So this is in Dynamics 365, they have given with colors. Okay. So let me show you, it is taking some time. So to get that report perfectly, we have one option. This is only view purpose. I'm showing you now view purpose. So for that, here in this collections, sorry, periodic tasks, is customer balances. The menu name is changing. Actually, in this, it is showing the old report 30, 60, 90, 180, whatever it is already there. Now, what I'm doing, I'm executing one small process, customer aging snapshot. This is customer aging snapshot. So where I have opened, can I show you once again? The menu name is changing by Microsoft. Earlier it is customer aging snapshot. Now it is a little bit different name. Periodic tasks, I will write down the path. Periodic tasks is customer balances. That is menu name is customer balances. It is showing customer aging snapshot. In 2012, the menu name is customer aging snapshot. Now it was changed. So you can select the aging period definition which you have created recently and due date and today's date. Click OK. So it is processing aging period definition. Customer aging snapshot means aged balances report is getting generated properly, means it is processing the report. Now this report will be changed. This report will be changed. Let me process this one. So it is taking 2 minutes time. Let it be processed. Meanwhile, let me write down the path. Customer aging snapshot. Of course, the menu name is changed a little bit. Okay, it is credit and collections. Credit and collections. Periodic task. Okay, so give me a second. It is processing. Let me write down the path for because from version to version, the naming of the menu name, menu name is keep on changing. That is the reason I did not remember the name, exact name. It is in the periodic tasks. In 2009, it is different form. In 2012, it is different. In D365, it is different. The name only. Age customer balances. Age customer balances. To process. Okay. So I think it was executed now. Okay, it was completed. Fine. Now, if you verify the same aged balances, now it will show you with the new aging period definition, whatever you have used. So tomorrow I will discuss with you. There are 3 terms here. One is transaction date. You know this one. Another one is due date. Another one is document date. These 3 differences we'll discuss in detail. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow. Look at this one. Okay, isn't the definition? Why it is not updated? Give me a second. Let me verify. It should be refreshed properly with the latest new customizing report. Still, it is not coming. Give me a minute. I think it is in the parameters. I need to modify. So whatever the report you want, that you need to update in the like accounts receivable parameters. In the report, you can generate whatever you want. You can select. But whereas already this is a grid view, whatever it is showing, it is grid view. That grid view, if you want, you need to update in the parameters. In accounts receivable parameters, credit and collections. Collections. Here, whatever you have mapped, that we need to map here. The new aging report, whatever you have created, you need to map here. Then it will show the report. Otherwise, if it is required, we need to execute once again. Give me a second. I will show you once again tomorrow, one by one steps, so that you can understand. Here I'm showing like pieces of information. Tomorrow I will show you the sequence steps, what we have to do once again, so that you can understand. Now it is coming clearly, the report. The new actually 30, 60, but 60 instead of 0, it was bracket was came. So by looking into red star, red diamond means Manager will fight with you, collection agents, a lot, because there are so many amounts are pending. Why it is showing red like this? The reason, the data, whatever it is available in Dynamics in USMF company, is more about 2016, 2017, 2018 data. 16, 17, 18 data. That is the reason it is showing more reds. But if you post a transaction recently a lot, then it will show you green checkbox, because this is a recent ones. Understood? Okay, no problem. But in real time scenario, these many reds will not be there. These many reds will not be there. This will be some different. It will show you. Give me a second. I will show you by order, customer wise, code wise order. I will show you, so that you can have a little bit view more. I'm going to say the view will be a little bit different if it is sort by A to Z. Then it will show you US00. Now sorting is by name. Now sorting by customer code means it will show you a little bit US001, US002. We have posted so many transactions. Then some balance will show here and here. Give me a second. Okay, so of course still the balances are not there. I think we have not posted much transactions in this USMF recently. Otherwise it will show you the balances. Okay, for US17 we have posted one transaction. Fine. So I will discuss with you once again tomorrow in 10-15 minutes. I will explain you, and then we'll go to the next topic. Okay, anyone has anything? Yes.
And can you able to export this one in a PDF report using report in PDF Excel format?
Sorry, can you export to?
In PDF Excel, Microsoft Excel format.
So that whatever it is there, if you want any other formats printout, you can go to the printout and you can export. This is only, this can be exported.
Okay.
Excel is possible. Excel is possible because we have Excel integration. But from this one, I don't think so. PDF from this one. This is a grid view only. We can export to Excel. Otherwise, the report format, whatever the formats you want, different formats available. That can be done.
Okay. I wonder if I add one column, additional column. In the customers have calculations like percentage and whatever remaining calculations. Can you able to do here like this one? Report.
Okay, aging period definition. Aging period definition will be allowed only 6 brackets. Max to max 6. If you want more, we need to do a customization. If you want more, means in this aging period definitions, if you go to customer aging period definitions, that is aging period definitions, it will not allow more than 6. Now I have created only 6. Look at this one. If I'm trying to add one more, it will throw error message, a warning message. No more than 6 aging periods can be used to external statements. So we need to take help from technical person. You need to extend this one if you want.
Okay, and another doubt. Can you able to do this aging scheduling?
Sorry, can you?
Scheduling. Like
Your voice.
daily scheduling. Can you able to do scheduling, daily scheduling, monthly scheduling like this?
Yeah. Scheduling means what exactly your expectation? Scheduling means report.
Whatever this one input we are doing every monthly, first of the month, this one is the top of this come attachment as in Outlook.
So that is so if you want, because this why you are sending this one to the customer? This is for all customers.
All customers only, but specifically some managerial people they required monthly. So it will be pop up Outlook in the Outlook that I think are by
I don't think so. that all those things, because that is depending upon the Mazatic client's requirement. Microsoft will develop those kind of reports, but I don't think so, because managerials, they will generate from here, like aging period definitions, from collections report, they can generate and they can see. They will take a printout if it is needed, but every day they will not monitor. Here, aged balances they can generate. Every day they will not keep on monitoring. First week of every month or before 10th, there will be discussions will be happened. If you are asking collection agent every day, he will get frustrated. Even for the customer also, you need to give some breathing period to discuss, to verify. So 1st to 10th, for any company, sales people will have lot of pressure from their managers. First 1 week or 10 days. Then after that, slowly it will be decreased. So first week of any company, I saw so many companies, first week of the like every month, sales representatives, they will get tense a lot how to mitigate or how to answer this my manager about why it is pending from this amounts. Okay, so but daily monitoring is not the requirement as per my knowledge.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
that's it.
Yeah, business, based on the business requirements, any ERP will be developed. This is my understanding. Okay, fine. So node due means yes, future due. Exactly, you are right, Prasanna. Node due means future dates, whatever it is there, that is future dues. Yeah. Any more questions, please?
Sir, I have another question. Like,
Yeah.
I want to send a customer statement to in every month of the first of the every month. So how can we send it in like automatic email?
So it's not like out 1 month we don't have that much functionality. You need to do a customization. Outlook integration is available. Outlook integration is available, but this is a overall all reports. Customizing report is for sales people versus sales managers internal discussions. But customer account statement, for account statement we need to send to the customer. Always we will not send this entire document to one customer. Am I right? This is one customer is different and this customer is different. So usually monthly once we need to send a report customer account statement or collections. That is another function I'm going to explain you after this topic. There is one more topic here in the system. We have one more report. Give me a second. Why it is going like this? Credit and collections, collection letters. Next topic I'm going to discuss with you. This will be more answers, like it will be resolved your many questions in these collection letters. Tomorrow I will discuss with you. I will recap this one and I will give you some more fine-tune options, something setups, and then I will go to collection letter. This will be the actual report we need to send to the customer periodically, maybe monthly, in general monthly. So collection letters, this we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So any more questions, please? Okay, fine. So he asked me like sorry, yeah, Harshal. Okay, Harshal left the call, so we'll discuss tomorrow. He pinged me in one question. I will discuss with him tomorrow. Any more questions, please? Any more, team? I will recap whatever I have discussed tomorrow, and I will discuss with you on these 3 terms, and then we'll proceed with the collection letters report tomorrow. Okay. So if you have any questions, please let me know. You can unmute yourself. Otherwise, we can wind up the session for today. Nothing? Then we'll meet once again tomorrow morning, 8 AM IST. See you all.